Microsoft Word lets you search for words in a document and replace all examples of that word with another. You can open the basic Find menu by pressing Ctrl+F with your Word document open. However, the best way to launch the Find and Replace functions is to press Ctrl+H, as this option lets you easily toggle between Find and Replace, and it will also let you search for more specific things. The Find tab lets you simply locate each instance of a word within the document. Type whatever you're looking for in the Find What box. Here, we've told Word to search for "the" in our text and click Find Next to find the first example. Each time you then click Find Next, Word will show you the next instance of that word. The Replace tab lets you swap one word for another. Type the word you want to replace in the Find What box, and then type the replacement text into the Replace With box. In this example, we have replaced the word Ford with the word Mercedez Benz. Then click Replace All to swap all instances of the original word, or click Replace to do this one at a time. Don't forget to thumbs up, share, and subscribe,